Okay, question number 8. Okay, 2021 variant 1 paper 2 and question number 8 of this paper has been given here. You can see this one. The question number 8 part A, and our diagram has been given here, and the question is uh, PQR are the points on the circumference of a circle center O. Uh, okay. Angle POQ is 8x naught and angle RPO is x naught. Angle OQR is 24 degree. Calculate PQO. PQO, we have to calculate this one. So, okay. Now here, x naught, OPR is x naught. POQ is 8x naught, and this angle is being given here, which is OQR. It is 24 degree. So we have to find out POQ. We need to find out this angle PQO. We need to find out this angle. Okay, PQO. This. Okay. Now first of all, this angle is 4x naught. This angle is equal to 4x naught, because the angle made at the center by an arc is twice the angle made by the same arc at the circumference of the circle. So this angle should be half of this angle. Okay, this angle which is made at the center of the circle, this angle is twice the angle which is made by the same arc at the circumference of the circle. So this angle is 4x naught. Sorry, this is not x square, x naught. Okay. Okay, another thing, if we draw another radius here, this radius here, if we draw this one, this angle is equal to x naught, and this angle, this one angle is equal to 24 degree. Why? Because this is a triangle, an isosceles triangle, because this is the radius of the circle and this is also the radius of the circle. So the angles at the opposite corner, the angles at the equal sides, opposite the congruent sides are always equal. For example, these two sides are equal, so angles opposite to this congruent side, this angle and this angle, these are equal. It has been given here, it is 24 degrees, so this angle is also equal to 24 degree. And the same argument you can given here, because this is the radius of the circle, this is also the radius of the circle. This angle is being given here, it is x naught, so this angle will also be x naught. So what can we prove here? So x naught plus 24 degree here, x naught plus 24 degree, that is equal to 4x naught. 4x naught. You can see here, this whole angle is 4x naught. This angle is 24 degree. This angle is x naught. So x naught plus 24 is equal to 4x naught. So we can find out this one. 4x naught minus x naught is equal to 24 degree. 3x naught, sorry, 3x naught. Okay, that is 3x naught is equal to 24 degree. X naught is equal to 3 8 is 24, dividing both sides by 3. 24 divided by 3. 3 will be cancelled out with the 3, and we will get x naught is equal to 3 8 is 24. 3 8 is 24. So we got x naught is equal to 8 degree. Okay. Another thing, now this angle become 8 multiplied by the angle POQ. POQ, that is equal to 8x naught. So 8 multiplied by 8, 8 is a 64 degree. So we got this angle which is equal to 64 degree. Okay. And these two angles are the same angles, because these angles are opposite to the radius of this triangle. Okay, this and this. So these two angles are the same. Let's give them a name of y degree, and this will become also y degree. So now here is 2y degree plus 8x naught is equal to 180 degree. So 2y degree, 8x naught is equal to 64 degree. We have already find the value of this one. 180 degree. So 2y naught is equal to 180 minus 64. 2y naught is equal to 6 and okay 6 and 1, 116 degree. Y naught, dividing both sides by 2, 116 divided by 2, 2 ones are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16. So y naught, this is not y square, this is y naught, okay. So y degree is equal to 58 degree, and this y is equal to PQO. PQ, which is the required angle, QO is equal to 58 degree. And we got the answer of this one. So the first part, okay, we have already solved this here. This PQO is equal to 58 degree, okay. 58 degree. The second part has been given here. Part B is another diagram being given here. KL is equal to 6 and KM is equal to 10.5. LKM is y naught degree. KN is equal to 10 degree. All these things are being given here, and the area of the triangle is JKN is 75 centimeter square. JKN 75 centimeter square. It has been given here 75 centimeter square. So we can write this 75 centimeter square is the area of this triangle, okay. Now how can we find out this angle? Now first of all, we will find the area of this triangle by, because these two triangles are the similar triangle, so we can easily find out the area of this triangle. How can we do this? 10 upon 6 square, 10 square upon 6 square, or 10 upon 6 whole square is equal to 75 upon, you can give the name, it is A1, it's A2. So A1 upon A2, A1 upon A2 is equal to 6 upon 10 square. Okay. So we need to find out the value of A1 is equal to 36 upon 100 multiplied by A2. 36 upon 100, sorry, 100 multiplied by 75. So 4 9 are 36, 4 25s are 100, 25 ones are 25, 25 3s are 75. So 9 3s are 27 centimeter square. This is the area of the triangle A1. Now we can find out actually the value of y easily. How can you find out the area? By putting the area of the triangle. A is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, what are the names of these one? Okay, Km multiplied by KL sine theta. This is the formula, AB sine theta. So 1 upon 2 multiplied by Km multiplied by KL multiplied by sine theta. So 1 upon 2 Km is equal to 10.5 and KL is 6. 10.5 multiplied by 6. So 1 upon 2, the area has been given here, sine theta multiplied by sine theta, sine y has been. Okay, area has, we have already found out the area. Area is 27 centimeter square. So put the value of 27 here. And 1 upon 2, 10.5 multiplied by 6 multiplied by sine theta, sine y. Here is 27 multiplied by 2 divided by 10.5 multiplied by 6 is equal to sine y. Okay. So 54. There is Sine y is equal to 54 divided by 6 ones are 6. Okay. 6 fives are 30. We got 63. Uh, and y is equal to sine inverse 54 upon 63. And y is equal to, we can find out the value of the y, 58.99. Angle is 58.99, approximately equal to 59 degree. So y is equal to 59 degree. 59 degree is the answer.